All right, we're at the Treehouse Coffee Cafe up here with the rope bridge. There's Jill drinking her little drink. It's going over this scary rope bridge. Whoa! And they just put all these new planks in, so clearly they rotted out.
Bamboo and wood and rope.
It's just wood and bamboo and rope.
Tables.
It's pretty far down. I mean, I'd say 300 feet, maybe 200 feet.
Definitely, probably.
Here you can see it probably more on this side. Kind of hard to see. Pretty far down. You can't really see the ground because there's so much coverage. But look at the way they got this place all set up too.
Here, watch out. Get out
All
of the
kinds of.
way. Get out of the way.
Oh. Come on, scary. Whoa.
Those steps squeak back and forth. Ooh, pretty orchid. Let's do it. I got a rooster. Yeah.
Whoa.
Ooh, that's beautiful painting. Oh my goodness, I just saw that. Let me do something here.
Little cafe in here. I'm gonna ask her.